Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is freedom. Freedom is in your aura right now. You're free to do so many things. This is time for breakthrough. Make sure that you're dotting every I, crossing every T, doing everything that you can do so you can stand into and walk into your kingdom where your people are waiting for you. They're waiting for a strong leader. They're waiting for you to take their throne back once again. So this is time to let you know, do what you can do now, because you can do and you can change your life right now. You've been waiting for it, but you've been working for it. The strength has been built. You have the strength. Now it's time to go forward and lock down all your dreams. I realize my wounds create doubt, resentment, and guilt. So I work to free myself of darkness by staying positive. The rules of the universe, staying positive, positive energy will have a wind flow, a wind shower, a waterfall of positive blessings coming your way. Lessons, obstacles, and tests come with negative energy. You had enough of that. You've been tested. You've actually you evolved past all the tests. You passed all the tests. Now it's time to be positive and get the rainfall, the waterfall of blessings that you've been asking for, and step back into your place of power and take your throne. I cast all negative thoughts and I find peace in my heart, and I discover the being of light within me by staying positive, and you shine, baby, shine. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.